Oh, Jehovah's Witnesses, do you have a minute?
I'll be honest, mate, I'm just having a wank at the minute.
Good lad. Bye-bye then.
Alright, bye, mate.
I love you, Muppet.
Yeah, Dad.
This ain't my fucking son. This is a grown-ass man. Shut the fuck up, calling me daddy. Muppet, I can't do this without you.
Hi, Mom. Say hi to my mom. Do not surprise me.
Ring-a-ding-ding-ding.
Oh,
Ring-a-ding-ding-ding. Ring-a-ding-ding.
Oh, sorry. Was you drunk?
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff. So, you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh, okay.
Have a good night.
Understood.